All right, it's Dawn here at the last Sunday of the month ride with Yoshi's Ride. This is Yoshi right here. And now we're going to compare the Grizzla system for the EX30 with, with the Clark.
Clark.
I can't think right now. So this is the Clark system. So this is lower than that one. That seat is higher. Yeah? Yeah, that seat is higher for the big seat. And then the slim seat is not. And I do like this. It's kind of shallow, but it's in the right spot. Like we like the handle like up high.
And it acts like a stand as well, so you can.
It acts like a stand. This does act like a stand as well.
Oh, okay. So it's pretty solid too.
Yeah, very similar. This looks nice and sleek. Yeah, I like how sleek this is. Versus this one.
This one you can't really.
Yeah.
And Dan has added a light in here, and Clark has also modified it as well, so where you can. So the next version will come with the lights, so it'll be super bright.
Yeah, that light that Dan has in there is, oh my gosh, one of the brightest lights we've ever seen. So that is awesome. Let's see. The tails. You know what? I really like the Clark system.
And there's this handle.
Hand fits in there.
Oh, I see what you did. Okay.
A little bit more room for my fingers up top. This one I feel like I catch up here before.
This is making a clunky thing, right? You haven't.
Then tail light up here versus tail light down there. Then you still have the mud guard. The mud guard for the Grizzla mud guard didn't work for me. It attaches over here, and when you jump off curbs, it has a huge kerplunk. So now I don't have a mud guard because I need to figure out a solution. But this is good that way. All right, so that is the Clark versus the Grizzla. And then the other one with this handle and the slim seat. This is Grizzla's slim seat. And then Tom 2's idea for a handle to put up front, because we want the handle up front, up top and front like that. Oh, the EX30s! Yay! Thanks, guys.